Had some spare time this weekend and a bit of wish to impress my partner, so went ahead and created this palette photo frame to flash some of my magic on her. One of my mates gave me this pallet planks from their broken bed, which I'm going to use in making the photo frames. Other than that, for this project we need pallet wood, protective equipments like face mask, glasses, gloves, sanding tool, hammer, measuring tape, nails, handsaw or chop saw, knife, plier, pencil and paint of your choice. Since the pallet planks are very well sanded and polished, I did not have to waste my time in sanding and polishing them. I wanted to keep the size of my frames pretty standard, so I cut them into 14 inches by 19 inches blocks. Using a chop saw, I cut 45-degree angles on both sides of the plank. Using wood glue, I'm joining all the pieces that I extracted from the pallet planks in the previous step. I added a bit of masking tape to hold the pieces together until they completely dry up. On my way back from work, I found this amazing piece of art lying alongside the road. I painted one of them black and another one brown. Then, using hot glue, I attached them to the base pallet plank. I also glued the artificial flower pot, which I bought from a nearby local shop for $5. To hang the frame, I'm going to use Velcro removable picture hangers. By using these, I don't have to drill any hole in the wall. And if the setup doesn't look good here, I can just pull it out and paste it somewhere else in the house. So, this is how my final setup looks like. Do comment and let me know if there is any scope of improvement. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helps you. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks. See you again in my next video. Bye now.